Heavy machinery, powerful, essential, and sometimes downright dangerous. So today, we're diving into some of the most shocking close calls and accidents involving excavators, cranes, trucks, and more. From operator mistakes to unpredictable equipment failures, this video is packed with heart-stopping moments that highlight the real dangers of industrial work. Kicking things off, check out this excavator attempting to unload from a trailer. Seems routine, right? But watch closely. Whoa, there it goes. Without proper load securing, these machines can easily shift, leading to disastrous consequences. This is a prime example of why transporting heavy equipment demands precision and caution. Next up, we have a Cat 966 H-wheel loader that finds itself in the wrong place at the wrong time. As it moves across a work site, suddenly bam! A massive rock slide crashes down, missing the operator by mere inches. Talk about a close call. This is why situational awareness is absolutely critical when working in unpredictable environments. Now, for one of the most intense incidents on our list of train derailment in Kansas City. Imagine the sheer force behind a fully loaded train suddenly going off the tracks. As debris flies and cars pile up, this footage is a stark reminder of how quickly things can spiral out of control. Whether it's mechanical failure or environmental factors, rail operators must always be on high alert. And it doesn't stop there. We've got a whole lineup of heavy machinery fails that will leave you shaking your head. From a crane toppling over due to poor weight distribution, to a semi-truck jackknifing on an icy road, these incidents prove that even the slightest mistake can lead to massive damage. So, what can we learn from all this? Whether you're operating a 50,000 pounds excavator or driving a haul truck, safety is everything. Proper training, regular equipment checks, and staying alert can mean the difference between a close call and a catastrophe. We've seen the dangers of heavy machinery and action equipment sliding off trailers, near-miss rockfalls, even massive train derailments. But here's the real question. How many of these accidents could have been prevented? The answer: almost all of them. Let's start with operator training. Think about this. Would you put a rookie behind the wheel of a 50,000 pounds excavator without proper guidance? Of course not. Heavy equipment isn't just about pressing buttons and pulling levers, it's about understanding how to control thousands of pounds of raw power safely. Without the right training, even a minor miscalculation can lead to total disaster. A survey by OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, found that nearly 25% of heavy machinery accidents are due to operator error. That's 1 out of 4 accidents that could have been avoided with better education and hands-on practice. Proper training programs teach operators how to handle real-world challenges, to maneuver on unstable ground, how to react in emergencies, and how to prevent accidents before they happen. Now, training is key, but what about the machines themselves? A well-maintained bulldozer or crane is a safe machine, but one that's neglected, that's a ticking time bomb. Take hydraulic failures, for example. A simple hose leak in an excavator can lead to a sudden loss of control, putting both the operator and nearby workers in serious danger. Or how about faulty brakes on a haul truck? On a steep slope, that's the difference between stopping safely or plummeting into a ditch. Regular inspection checking brakes, hydraulics, electrical systems should never be skipped. If you wouldn't drive a car with bald tires and failing brakes, why take chances with a 100,000 pounds crane? But even the best operators with top-notch equipment can't control one thing: the environment. Whether it's unstable terrain, bad weather, or unexpected site conditions, the worksite itself plays a massive role in safety. .966 H-loader dodging the rockfall earlier. That operator was paying attention. Without quick reflexes and good judgment, The key takeaway? Always assess your surroundings. Before any job, operators should check for unstable ground, overhead hazards, or shifting loads. It only takes a split second for conditions to change, saying, ahead of the risks is what separates a close call from a catastrophe. At the end of the day, safety isn't just a guideline, it's a lifeline. Whether you're operating a backhoe, a dump truck, or a tower crane, every move matters. Nye, remember, every accident that doesn't happen is a win. Stay sharp, stay safe, and keep the job site running smoothly. If you made it this far, hit that like button, and subscribe for more real-world industrial footage. Have a story about a near miss or an accident you learned from? Drop it in the comments, we'd love to hear your experiences. Haw!